Hi, this is MarqueeCrew, and welcome to another regular expression lesson. This should be about 3 minutes of your time to learn how to conditionally find one case or another and make a replacement into a new field, or leave that new field blank. So in this case, we're looking again at a file name, and we're looking for 3 digits in the file name, sheet name, and it could be 3 digits followed by a dash followed by 2 digits. I'm going to use an expression editor here where I can see the data preview of what's happening, and I'm going to look for the pattern first. So I'm using RegEx match. I'm now going to make this easier for everyone to see by pressing down on the control and using the mouse scroll wheel to make string bigger here, and I'm going to now put in the file name for that field to look at, and my pattern is going to be housed inside of quotes, and from those quotes I'm going to look for dot star, which is anything, and we see that's true. I match that pattern, and the anything has to be followed by a group of digits. That group of digits is going to be followed by a special character symbol, which is the $, followed by anything. Okay, well, this is matching. Now let's go and put in our first set of rules for the first group. We're looking for digit, digit, digit. That couldn't be simpler. Or, so I'm typing in a pipe symbol, or it's digit, 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 followed by a dash, followed by 2 digits. When that is true, I'm going to want to do a replacement. So I can use an inline if statement and say, if this statement is true, and I'm going to copy that regular expression. If that's true, comma, I'm going to use a regex replace. I'm going to replace from the field file name. My pattern is identical to what I searched for, and I'm going to take that first replacement field, which there's only one in this expression, so that's $1. And otherwise, if it's false, that it doesn't match that, I'm going to just put in 2 ticks and close that if statement off. So now we've got this played, and we can see we've accurately got the sheets that are that format, and I hope that this is helpful for you and that you will think about subscribing to this podcast, to this YouTube channel. Thank you very much.